কোভিড নিয়ে বক্তব্য রাখছেন রাহুল গান্ধী। আমরা সরাসরি চলে যাব সেখানে।
एक प्रकार से लाखों लोग नीडलेसली मरे हैं सेकेंड वेव में, वो फिर से ना। दूसरा पॉइंट, कोविड सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल बीमारी नहीं है, कोविड इकोनॉमिक सोशल बीमारी है। और इसलिए हमने सरकार को सबसे गरीब लोगों को, छोटे बिजनेसेस को, मिडिल साइज बिजनेसेस को आर्थिक सहायता देने की जरूरत है। हमने एक न्याय का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है। अगर नाम प्रधानमंत्री को अच्छा नहीं लगे उसका नाम बदल दें, बट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट कि गरीबों के जेब में, गरीबों के घर में हम डायरेक्ट फंड्स पहुंचाएं। और चौथा जो हमारा पिलर है कि एक कोविड कॉम्पेंसेशन फंड बनाया जाए। जिन परिवारों के घर में जो ब्रेड अर्नर्स हैं, उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, उनका कॉम्पेंसेशन दिया जाए, उनको डायरेक्ट कोविड फंड से उनको सहायता दी जाए। तो ये हमारे 4 पॉइंट्स हैं।
Thank you, sir. We'll start questions one by one. Please keep raising your hands. I can see, and then we'll keep going to each one of you. Can we start with the PTI, Mr. Sanjeev?
Thank you, Radhik. Namaskar, Rahul ji.
नमस्कार।
Rahul ji, experts are saying that the third wave of coronavirus infections is likely to hit India by October. And there have been record 84 lakh vaccinations yesterday. But some opposition states are still starving for the vaccine. Do you think the government has the wherewithal to sustain this current pace of vaccination that has started yesterday, considering that only 5% of the adult population of the country is vaccinated currently, leaving millions vulnerable to infections and deaths? And I would also like to add, since it is a very active political, it's a day of hectic political activity in the capital. Mr. Sharad Pawar has convened a meeting of a number of opposition leaders and people. So I would just like if you could react on that also. My request.
Okay, on the political aspect, my intention here is to bring focus on COVID. My intention here is to point clearly in the direction of where we think the government should act on COVID. And so I'm not going to distract you or myself by getting into, what is going on in the politics and what is going on here and there. There is a time and place for that discussion, and I'm happy to talk to you at that time.
Thank you.
With regards to vaccination is really the only answer that we have to COVID. It is the central pillar of our strategy. Yes, good work has happened yesterday, but this is not a series of events. This is a process. And we have a humongous task in front of us. We have to diligently do this task. We have to make sure that this task is done. The government has to do that. And it has to make this process work not just on one day, but every day until we have vaccinated our whole population.